Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about another set of basic tools. Last time we learned about some basic tools such as moving tool, offset tool, a copy tool like that. We learn about remaining tools today. First of all, we start with rotation tool. You can see in the modified panel that rotation tool. First thing is need to select and then go to the rotation tool. Then it will appear like that. There is a center of rotation there, and we can select the angle. If you want, you can type this angle here. Uh, if you want 19 degrees, you can 90. Then we have to select the starting point like that. Then it will rotate 19 as like that. Now this one only 40 degrees rotation. First select and got and this is center of rotation there. We can change the center of rotation using this place button, and we can pick this line if you want end of the this wall, and then this will change. Then first we have to select the start point, and then we can select the angle. If you want, you can type the angle here, like 90 degrees, and it will rotate from this center point to 19 degrees anti-clockwise. If you want to rotate again the original position, then we can select rotate. Again, you have to change the center of rotation, rotate place, and change the center of rotation, and pick this line, and I can type 90. It will come to original position. Main thing is we have to select center of rotation, and otherwise tool is very easy to handle. Then we can go to the another tool. It's called trim extend to corner. In the AutoCAD, there's a two tool for that one. Trim for one tool for trim, extend for another tool. In this corners we can prepare using this. We can extend or we can trim corners using this tool. Method is you have to select the trim tool. Then second step is need to select that walls need to keep two walls need to in the your design. First of all, I want to trim this section, the center section. Then I need to keep this wall and this wall. Then these two walls. I click on one wall. Then I click another wall. Then extend this extended part is in this from the this drawing design. If I want to trim this part, then I have to select keep one this wall and this wall. Then this will trim. This is the how it trimming. The extended also operate like that. If I want to extend this wall up to this horizontal wall, then I need to click this wall. Then I have to pick this horizontal wall. Then you can see that dash line will appear after selecting. Then all you have to do is click this one. Then it will extend it. If I want to extend this wall to this separate wall in the left side, then I click this wall and I pick this wall. Then you can see the dash line it indicates the pre-connection, then I can click. It easy to operate. If I want to extend this vertical wall, that was very easy. We first click this one, then I can have to select this one. Then it extend. Okay, this is the trim and extender. Then other tool, it called other two tools. One is trim extender single element. That means something like that. I want to trim these extended section. Then what we do? I need to click this tool, trim and extend the single element, and with this line, these two both things there. If I want to trim left side one, then need to pick this left side wall. If I want trim other part, then I have to pick this right side wall. I pick right side wall. Sorry, I side wall, and then I click this wall. Sorry, you can see that I can pick right side wall. Then I pick. You can see that this one is extended. If I want other section, I undo that one, and I pick this wall and click. Like that, you can trim single element. If you want multiple element, you can multiple element also can trim it. If I want click these two extended section, then I can use this other tool that is called trim extender multiple elements. Go to tool and click the face, this face I want. Then I click this element. Sorry, this one. I click this element. This one. And this one was extended. That's not working. I will extended this section. Okay. Click the tool. Select the face. Click. I have to pick the face. You can see it will trim. There's multiple items you can pick at once. Okay. This is the second tool. There's another tool. It is called split element. We can single object we can split. If you think this wall we want to extend in the middle, we can use this split element tool. The first thing is we have to click this element and then pick the point. You can pick this point. Then there's a divider. It will divide it two parts. You can see that one. When you see that there's a two part. Early it's a one element now. One element. If I pick, it will become two parts. Sometimes we need to divide sometime. Okay. There's another tool. It called divide with split with gap. There's a we can split with keeping gap. That means the second item I click, it will split and keep it. There's a gap. We can change that gap using this tool. When I go to the tool, and we can change the gap. If you want 1 feet gap, put 1 feet and enter 1 feet and the point. Then it will keep one split with 1 feet. 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 explain. Another two important tools there. It will take much time more than this tool because array tool is more option. Then it will get more time. Then therefore I will expand in it is, these two tools, array tool and scale tool in next video. Okay, practice these lessons. Keep it touch with our YouTube channel and learn and try to earn. Okay, thank you.